Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside, and seeing not a blue sky but an orange one. Overhead, two moons hang in the alien heavens, casting shadows on red dunes stretching as far as the eye can see. The air is colder, thinner, and you're not on Earth anymore. Does this sound like science fiction? Maybe. But one day it could be your reality. The big question is, can we really live on another planet? Human beings have always been explorers. It's written in our DNA, the insatiable urge to seek out new frontiers. For centuries, we've crossed oceans, scaled mountains, and reached for the stars. Now, as Earth faces growing challenges like climate change, population growth, and dwindling resources, we're turning our gaze outward to worlds beyond our own. The most talked about option for human colonization? Mars. The red planet has long captured our imagination. It's relatively close, at least by cosmic standards, and has some intriguing similarities to Earth. It has a day only slightly longer than ours, polar ice caps, and even evidence of ancient rivers and lakes. If water once flowed on Mars, could life, or at least the potential for human habitation, exist there? Living on Mars wouldn't be easy. First, there's the atmosphere. Mars air is made mostly of carbon dioxide with barely any oxygen. On top of that, it's incredibly thin, offering no protection from the sun's harmful radiation. And that picturesque red dust, it's not just dirt, it's toxic, filled with compounds harmful to humans. Simply breathing or building shelter would require advanced technology, like airtight habitats and powerful filtration systems. But humans thrive on challenges. Space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX are already working on technology to make Mars livable. Think oxygen-generating machines to convert carbon dioxide into breathable air, greenhouses for growing crops in Martian soil, and underground habitats to shield us from radiation. It sounds like science fiction, but every day it's becoming less like fantasy and more like engineering. And what about other planets? Venus is even closer to Earth than Mars and has a similar size and gravity, but it's also a hellish furnace. Its surface is hotter than 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and its atmosphere is a suffocating mix of toxic chemicals. So maybe not Venus anytime soon. Another intriguing option lies much further away, moons like Europa or Titan. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has a thick crust of ice covering a hidden ocean, perhaps a source of water and even life. Titan, a moon of Saturn, has rivers and lakes of liquid methane, completely alien chemistry, but fascinating nonetheless. Still, for now, there's no place like home. Earth is uniquely perfect for human life, and no other planet gives us the same abundance of oxygen, water, and food. But as technology advances and we dare to dream, settling on another world becomes more plausible. Just imagine, one day vacations could involve hopping on a shuttle not to another country, but to another planet. So can we live on another planet? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. Right now, it's closer to not yet. But humanity's greatest achievements have always been born from impossibilities. Whether it's Mars or a moon orbiting Saturn, the seeds of interplanetary life are being planted today. Who knows, in a century you might wake up under alien skies. The question isn't just can we live on another planet, but perhaps when will we?